Good morning, my dear students. This is the part 10 of chapter 3, Playing with Numbers. Today we shall learn how to find the HCF of two or more numbers using division method. This method is also called Euclid's algorithm. Let us discuss this method with an example. Example 1. Determine the HCF of 18 and 30. Our first point is take the greater number dividend and the smaller number divisor. If I am given two numbers 18 and 30, the greater number is 30 and smaller number is 18. So 18 is taken as divisor and 30 is taken as dividend. Now you can see I have divided 30 by 18. If I divide 30 by 18, I get quotient 1. 18 into 1 is 18. If I subtract 18 from 30, I get 12. Now the 18 I shall bring as dividend for 12. If I divide 18 by 12, I get 1. 12 into 1 is 12. If I subtract 12 from 18, I get 6. Now the divisor 12, I have brought it as dividend. If I divide 12 by 6, I get answer 2. 6 into 2 is 12. The remainder is 0. So the operation is complete here. Therefore, the HCF of 18 and 30 is 6. Now let us check another example. Find HCF of 30 and 45. So again, the smaller number I have taken as divisor and the greater number as dividend. If I divide 45 by 30, the quotient is 1. 30 into 1 is 30. If I subtract 30 from 45, I get 15. The divisor 30, I shall bring it as dividend. So 15 into 2, I get 30. If I subtract 30 from 30, I get 0. So our operation is completed here. So 15 is the HCF of 45 and 30. Now let us take two bigger numbers. Find the HCF of 2057 and 3267. 2057 is smaller and 3267 is a greater number. So in the divisor's place, I shall put 2057 and in dividend's place, I shall put 3267. So if I divide, I get 1 as quotient and 2057 into 1 is 2057. I will subtract 2057 from 3261 and I get 1210. The dividend 2057 is brought to the dividend's place. If I divide 2057 by 1210, I get quotient 1. This is the normal division, the usual division we do. 1210 into 1 is 1210. If I subtract, I get 847. Again, I have brought the 1210, the divisor, to dividend's place. If I divide 1210 by 847, I get quotient 1. 847 into 1 is 847. If I subtract, I get 363. In the dividends place, 847 I have brought down. In 847,363 is 2 times. So I get 726. If I subtract, I get 121. In the dividends place, 363 I have brought down. If I divide 363 by 121, I get 3 as quotient and remainder will be 0. Therefore, HCF of 2057 and 3267 is 121. Now next question, find the HCF of 658, 940 and 1128. I have 3 numbers. I have to find the HCF of 3 numbers by division method. The smallest number is 658 and the second highest number is 940. So if I divide 940 by 658, I get quotient 1. 658 into 1, 658. If I subtract, I get a 282. And now the divisor I shall bring down as dividend. 658 divided by 282 is 2 times and I get remainder 94. Now 282 is brought as dividend. If I divide 282 by 94, I get quotient 3 and remainder 0. Now the HCF I have got this way. I shall divide the highest number, the largest number, 1128 by the HCF 94. If I divide the 1128 by 94, I get 12 and remainder 0. Therefore, 94 is the HCF of all 3 numbers. Now let us find HCF of another 3 numbers, 120, 144 and 204. The smallest number is 120. I shall divide the second largest number 144 by 120. So what I get 1 as quotient and remainder is 24. Now I bring back 120 as dividend. If I divide 120 by 24, I get 5. Now 24 is HCF of 120 and 144. This 24 I shall do the division method to find HCF of 24 and 204. If I divide 204 by 24, I get 8 as quotient and 12 as remainder. Now 24 is brought back as dividend. If I divide if I divide 24 by the remainder 12, I get 2 and remainder 0. Therefore HCF is 12. So HCF of 120, 144 and 204 is 12. Now you have homework from exercise 3.5. Find HCF of 48, 64 and 96 using division method. Question number 2. Find HCF of 96, 204, 240 and 336. Classwork you do. Find HCF of 56 and 72. Number 2. Find HCF of 108 and 240. This is the end of our class for today. Try to do the homework and classwork regularly so that you can maintain the discipline and regularity. This is all for today's class. Have a good day.